Today we're going to look at how to set up your products on your Google My Business page. So other videos walk you through how to set it up and how to do it. So here's how to do some of the things you want to do when you get there. A very powerful part of your Google My Business page, I'm just going to go down here and show you, is your products you offer to your clients. So if I'm just going to show you an example here. So if I'm in Boerne, Texas, where I live in that area, if I want to offer this type of product to my client, and I click it, they're going to say, oh, I do want to look for homes for sale in Boerne. They click it to open it up, and it gives a quick description of the product. So it talks about Boerne, da da da. We'll show you how to get this really easy in ChatGPT, and then you just hit visit site. So what you're doing is you're going to put here, see it has all the homes for sale in Boerne. So it turns it into a multi-property squeeze page to capture clients' information and get leads for free from your Google My Business right here in your product page. So it's a really easy way to go through and get your product set up and to load that. So the way we're going to show you again how to do it, again, right here at products. So first you need to pick an area where you want to get the product. So when you go to edit products, right here I have these. I'm going to add a product at the top. When I click add product, the product name, I'm going to do Converse because I'm in Converse, Texas. I'm even going to go Converse, Texas, so you can see it. Now the category, if you don't have a category yet, you have to create a new one and then go homes for sale. So again, if there's no category there, hit create new category, then you put one in. I already have one, so I'm going to go homes for sale. I leave the price empty. I don't care about that, but I do need a product description. So I'm like, how do I get a product description about Converse, Texas? So I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to go to the bottom and just say, please write me a description about Converse, Texas. Now, right now, I'm in the ChatGPT 4, which is great. So I'm going to go ahead and use that one. And it's going to knock it out. And then I just have to wait a second. It's going to write the whole description. As you can see, it does it all for you. You don't have to worry about it. ChatGPT is great. So here's a nice, cute description. Looking good. I'm going to copy it, go back to my Google My Business, and just paste the description in there. And now I have it all set, ready to go. Perfect. Now the next thing says I need a product landing page. This would be that multi-property squeeze page. There's a couple different ways you can do it. If you already have a website, I'm going to kick here of my website for a second. If you have a website already, you would just go to your website here. You would put in Converse, and then you would just leave everything, beds, bath. Usually you want at least 3 bedroom, 2 bath. And then you would search. And then it would have everything there on your website. Here's all of Converse ready to go. And then I would just grab that link at the top and copy that. And here's all the homes in Converse ready to go. And that works fine. Or if I was in KV Core, if you want to look at it the other way, I can go to Lead Engine, Build Squeeze Page, and I can do something very similar here for location. I can also do Converse, and then you see I type it in, it drops in, you click City Converse, I click on it twice to turn it gray, and then listing type is single family, and then I want to do 3 bedroom, 2 bath, and then over here for source, I'm going to do GMB, Google My Business, not GER, but Google My Business. And if you want a hashtag or anything, you can. I'm just going to use a regular cover photo. Then I generate the link. Either way is fine. If you don't have a fancy multi-property squeeze page generator, just do it on your website. It's fine. And then I'm going to copy that link. I use the direct link because it's just a better link usually for these type of things. And then I'm going to put the direct link in there, ready to go. Now the only other thing I need is a photo now about Converse. So I need to think something about Texas, country, hill country. No, not really hill country, but more in the northeast of San Antonio. More of like a little bit getting into country, even though it's really overgrown now. A lot of people are there. You still want to think about something. So an easy way to get a free picture is to go to Unsplash. And if you go to Unsplash, you just open it up. These are free uncopyrighted pictures. I'm going to go here underneath the top, and I'm going to put in Texas. So then once I load up Texas, don't go to the first 2 rows. Those are paid. I'm going to go down, and I like, oh, this is a good one with the Longhorns. I'm going to go to the bottom right. That's how you know it's free. you go to the bottom right and click the download. I download it. I'm going to throw it in my downloads. Good to go. There it is. If I want to say thank you to her, I can on Facebook. And then once I download it, I'm going to go right here and just grab it. And there it is, thrown in the picture. So this is now my front picture they see. So Converse, homes for sale. I got the description in ChatGPT. I grabbed the multi-property landing page and then I threw in a picture. And then I hit publish. See, that took us all of 5 or 6 minutes, even going slow and showing you how to do it. And then that product is there now. Now, when you go to edit product as well, one of the other things you can see here, here's my other areas. I have these products in here. I also can offer more than just like a city with a bunch of homes to check out. One of the things I can offer, if you have a seller's guide, a buyer's guide, those would all be products that you could offer. So this is a good way too, because every time someone clicks, for example, I go to Bernie, it does the same thing. It opens up, I'm good to go. And actually I'm looking at the editing, so I want to edit it. If I go here to view all and I open up Bernie, it has a description. I visit the site, it opens up that single property squeeze page. And there we go, 423 homes I can browse. And it automatically captures your client. So this is what the client sees on your website when they go to products. And then they just click, for example, Alamo Heights, talked about Alamo Heights, ready to go, visit site, boom, same thing. Super easy, grab them, see 18 results right here if you want to look for Alamo Heights. I can see these are the homes that are available in that area now. So it's very easy to go through and grab your clients and catch them. And then I can see all the products. And you want to do this for every single place in your MLS that you want to cover and you have the access to. You can also put in zip codes. Some people look for cities, some people look for zip codes. Either one will work. So again, all you have to do is fill up your products. And then once you do that, it's a very easy way to get leads, get people to click on your website, and get more activity for people to go and find your Google My Business page.